Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will continue from where we left off, regarding dimensions. In the previous video we explained all the dimension annotation tools in LusoCAD. In this video we will explain how to change the dimension style, adapting it for your specific needs. We can access the dimension style window from the annotation ribbon, or by typing the command shortcut, D. Here we can see our current styles. Let's create a new one. Click New. Type the name of the style. This is the Lines window. Here we can change the look of the dimension lines. You can change the line color, type, weight. Choose if baselines and extension lines are displayed or not, among other things. In the Symbols and Arrows window we can choose the arrow icons, its size and other symbols. We can change the arrow size as well. In the Text window we can modify the text style, which can be useful when creating very small or large dimensions. We can also choose if the text stays horizontal or aligned with dimensions. In the Primary Units window we can change the unit format and the precision. We are choosing 2 decimals right now. We suggest you explore the dimension style windows on your own and experiment with all the customization options. Let's see how our new dimension style looks compared to the old one. Dimension styles are very useful for indicating different dimension elements and sizes, so big projects usually have many dimension styles in use. That was all for this video. Keep watching to learn even more about LusoCAD and its many features.